Okay, welcome back and a good Monday evening now, everybody. We have had clouds galore in Grand Rapids all day, but not necessarily is this sky condition locally representative of what is happening towards I-94 and southward, and for some communities along the lakeshore. Getting a little sun to mix in, and because of that, temperature is a bit warmer than where we are in GR at 72 degrees. The average high now 83, so well below where we should be for this 12th day of July. We have gotten into a rut with clouds and cooler temperatures recently, and it looks like that'll be the case, I think, for tomorrow as well. This area of low pressure down to the southwest, which, if you bought the models a few days ago, was supposed to drop about an inch or inch and a half of rain here on Sunday, did not happen. That's the weather for you, folks. It can change, these models, and even today, a few days ago, looked a little wetter. We haven't had much going on. A few spits of sprinkles, a little patchy drizzle. Now, there are a couple thunder showers near the Indiana line at this point, creeping across the line, attached with lightning and thunder. Have had a couple reports from the National Weather Service when these particular cells were down in Indiana of a wind gust to about 30 to 35. And torrential rainfall. So there are some actually flood advisories now that have been put up for southern Berrien and extreme western Cass County, where amounts of about an inch to 2 inches of rain have come down in a very short period of time. So ponding on roadways, look out for sections down to the south. This is not going to be a widespread pattern of torrential rain, but some of these thunder showers will lift northward in the form of probably just showers, perhaps a rumble of thunder as we go through the mid to late evening. So if we get wet in Grand Rapids, and there's a good shot of that, I think, by later this evening, looking at after around, I would think, 9 o'clock, and then going into the overnight period, and there will be additional scattered showers tomorrow morning into the afternoon. A few thunder showers, severe weather, not really fearing that. But if there is going to be a round of stronger storms, that could happen on Thursday if we get enough heating before this system arrives. And there's potential for that during the afternoon. So look to Thursday for probably our heaviest round of rainfall and potentially gustier winds at that time. Great weather, though, by next weekend. That's the way it stands right now. Temperatures, no big heat waves coming, but we are going to jump Wednesday and Thursday back into the middle 80s and then drop off a little bit behind that aforementioned stronger potential system, at least on Thursday, back to around 80 on Friday, and then pick up some momentum into early next week. I think next week turns out to be a warmer shakeout around here with the mid to upper 80s to around 90-degree temperatures that will be common through that following work week. So we'll keep tabs on that. Temperatures right now low to mid to upper 70s, depending upon where you're at. There's a look across the country. How about the dew points have revived back into the upper 60s, so you can feel that humidity, and it'll be even a slight notch higher, I think, for the day tomorrow. East winds at about 5 to 10. Nothing windy here, folks, and it stays pretty light winded, this regime, through tomorrow and Wednesday. Let's go to this RPM model. You can see what I'm talking about. Just spotty activity this evening, but a couple of these showers going to be developing where the model is not sensing it. So even though it doesn't show much here in Grand Rapids in hours to come, there probably can be a shower or thunder shower nearby. Nothing severe I'm not looking for tonight, but a quick little downpour for a few locations, particularly south of I-96, a possibility. Then overnight into tomorrow morning, some additional scattered showers, maybe a rumble of thunder. Not going to be an all-day rain out on Tuesday, but certainly better prospects for rain tomorrow versus what we had today. Model going out into Wednesday. That'll be a quiet day around here. Here's it picking up at 4 o'clock Wednesday afternoon. We're dry Wednesday, mid-80s with some sunshine, but that next disturbance is going to be rolling in from Wisconsin, and I think it probably arrives Thursday, late morning or afternoon. Now, when exactly it comes in will dictate whether we get stronger storms or just a pattern of rain and thunder. So that's something to look out for as we go forward. Bottom line is it's warmer. Ryan and Janice Wednesday and Thursday, a little bit cooler by Friday, but right now, Saturday and Sunday looking pretty decent sunshine. Temps in the low to mid 80s.
All right. Thank you, Anthony. COVID hotspots are starting to pop